Welcome to QAvalidation.com. So in our protractor video series, the today's topic is how we can handle multiple windows by using protractor and TypeScript. Okay, so in Selenium we have already seen how we can handle multiple browsers. So how this scenario comes. So let me give you an example. So this is a what you call sample application where if I click on the new tab, as you can see, it opens into a new tab. Okay, and if I click on this, then it opens into a new window. Okay, so as you can see here, now the protractor handles it differently. So we will see how we can identify this both of these windows and how we can switch one another and then work on that. Okay, so we have been working on this protractor project from long, so we have seen different type of what you call topics like how to test into a non-angular site and how we can use the page object model in protractor. So we will use the same project to what you call to demonstrate the multiple windows. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here is my specs folder. So what I will do, I'll create a new file and let's say that multi windows dot ts file. Okay, some file name I'm giving, and here what I will do, I'll copy this content to here and I will update few things quickly here. So let me give the suite description here. So let's say that handle multiple windows. Okay, and here we will use what you call different URL, that is this one. So this site is basically a non-angular site. So for that, what I need to do, I need to use this key, that is browser dot ignore synchronization equal to true. Okay, so this one we already seen in our how to test in the non-angular sites by using protractor. You can watch the other video. Okay, and here let's give some test case description, multiple windows handle some name. Okay, now here this it I can delete. I need only one test case to handle that, and let's delete everything here. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to click on this button. So which button? This particular button, so that we can get multiple windows. So quickly let's inspect this one, and if you inspect, there is a new window. This is my name. Okay, so what I can do, browser dot find element, and here by dot name, and here I can mention that name. Okay, and if I can do a click. Okay, fine. Now as soon as I will click on this new window, I'll get in another window. So as in Selenium, we have driver handles, get window handles. The same thing in protractor, we have the same thing. So before getting into that, what I will do, I will quickly print the parent window title. Okay, so that later point we can what you call compare the title. Okay, so get title, and we need to resolve a promise. So what I will do, I'll put a then and then function, and here let's do like this, and here what I will do, console dot log, and here what I will do, main browser title. Okay, title. Now here after printing that, what I'm doing, I'm clicking on this new window so that I will get multiple windows there. Now what I will do, I'll create one variable, let's say window handle. Okay, window handles equal to, so browser dot get window handles. See here you can see get all window handles. Okay, sorry. So here once I will get this, so I'll copy it into the this particular what do you call window handles, sorry. Fine. Okay, now here I'll create another two variables, that is my main window. So let's say that parent handle, and then another is a child handle. Okay, so now here what I will do, these window handles I'll take and I will do some operations. So I need to resolve a promise here. So then function, and here I'll pass a parameter, let's say handles. Okay, and here what I will do, I'll use this particular parent handle equal to here handles here this index, so zeroth, so zeroth index will hold what you call, sorry, this should be one more. Okay, so handles of 0 means the first index will be my parent handle and child handle will be my the another one, that is my second index, that is handles of 1. Fine. Now here, because I know when I click on this particular button, I will get two windows. So that's why I'm holding like this. But what you can do if you are what you call unaware of how many what you call windows it is holding, what you can do, you can just parent handle equal to handle sub 0, that will hold, and child handle will not be one but will be multiple. So what you can do, you can take this window handles and you can put inside a for loop. Okay, and each index except this 0 will be your child window, and then you can work on those windows. Fine. So I have two windows, that's why I have mentioned like this. Now what I will do, now we'll see how we can switch to that what you call child window. Now here switch to window of which one, child window, because currently anyway I am on the parent handle, right? But I need to move into the child handle. Now here once I will move, I can perform few operations. Now let's see what and all operations I can do here. Okay, so now here what I can do, as soon as I will go into this, so let's say that I want to print how many what you call windows I currently the browser is holding. So what I can do here, total handles. Okay, and here I can do like this, and handles is my the list, right? Dot length I can use, so this will return me the total number of windows that the browser is currently holding. Okay, and I can print even this one here as well. Okay, here because handles is here, so I can print here. So once I will move into the child handle window, so I am on this window right now. So let me show you this one. So I'm currently here, so let me get this title of this because I want to perform some action on this. So currently I don't want to click any buttons, but I want to just get the title of this window, the child window. So what I can do here, I can say browser dot get title. Now here what I will do, I'll resolve a promise and I'll pass a parameter here, and then I'll print that console.log, and here what I will do, I will say that child browser title. Okay, and I want to print this one. Now here that is nothing but my text. Fine. Okay, so now here what I have done, so I have what you call performed some action on the t- child browser window. After that what I need to do, I need to close that because I performed everything. Now I will close this. So now the browser, see now in this time the browser will not be holding your current, because see I have only two windows. So if I'm closing the second window, then it will move to the first window. But in not at real time you might be having multiple what you call browser windows. So at that time what you need to do, you might need to be what you call moving back to your parent handle. That's why I'm what you call I've kept this parent handle. So here what I will do, now this is all about my child window, whatever I want to perform. After this what I need to do, I might need to move to, so switch to your window to the parent handle. Okay, parent handle, so that what will happen, it will go to my, so here what I will do, again I need to put a promise, and then so function, here what I need to do, so as soon as I will move into this window, what I can do, I can print the this one. So what I can do here, I can copy this whole thing here and paste it. Okay, I'll let you know what exactly I'm doing here. Okay, so parent, what is the error here? It is showing browser dot switch to window parent handle dot function. Okay, let's see what is the error. Okay, here one is missing. That's the problem actually here. Okay, now here I'm getting some error. Okay, fine. Okay, all the error is gone. So now what I've done, let me just recap it quickly. So here I have moved into the child window, and then I'm working on that child window and then close the browser. Now once I have closed this one, so let's say that I have multiple windows open, so I want to move into the main window. So parent handle is already there, which is holding the first index of the, what you call this, get all window handles. So here what I can do, so let's print here one thing so that easily we can identify once we get the logs. Okay, so this one basically returning to the main window. Okay, so this one we will see on the logs. Okay, and here what I'm doing, I'm capturing again the main window title. So initially I have captured the main window, then I have moved into the child window, and then I'm moving back to the main window, and then what do you call, I'm printing the browser title. So that means that this output and this output should be same, because I'm again going back right to that. So let's see if this is working fine or not. Now here what I need to do, I need to open the terminal, and here let's say node modules, I need to start the WebDriver manager. Okay, node modules, and that is under node modules folder, then bin, and then WebDriver start. Okay, you can update, you can use WebDriver hyphen manager update if you didn't update from some time long. Okay, so that you can do like this. So start, and this will, what you call, start your Selenium server. Selenium server is up and running, and now add another terminal and say npm test. Before to that, what you need to make sure that your spec file should be mentioned here, because in our previous video we have used this one, but now I need to change this one, multi-windows.js file. Okay, so here I'm using JS file because I'm transpiling the TS file into the JS file. If you are not sure what I'm doing, then you can watch the first video of this protractor series. Okay, and npm test and then enter. So this is opening my main browser window, and it clicked on this, and now it is opening the child window. It will close the child window and then parent window both. Okay, it happens so fast. I should have put a wait. Okay, so here as you can see the logs, it says that main browser title is browser windows first time when it opened, and total number of browsers it opened is 2. In that, child browser window is this one, about me QA validation, and then it returned back to the main window, and the main browser title is again main browser windows. So you can do one more thing as well. So whenever you want to, what you call, verify that, what you can do, you can put this initial browser title into a string, and then you can assert it by using a expect statement. Okay, so this is the way you can handle what you call multiple windows in protractor. Hope that helps. Stay tuned and do subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, thanks for watching.